Welcome to another episode of Mechanics on Duty. Today we have a 2016 Nissan Sentra. Today we're going to show you guys how to perform oil change in the car. First thing that you're going to look for this oil pan here with a 40mm is going to be on. We're going to remove that bulb to drain the oil, and after that we're going to remove the filter. First you want to remove the 40mm. Let the oil drain. We're gonna let the oil drain now. When the oil finishes, I'm coming right back with you guys. Now that you guys can see the oil drain out completely, now we're gonna put the drain plug back in the car. Make sure that you always get it by hand first. Make sure they go more straight that you can, and after that you're gonna tighten it. Try not to put too much force when you tighten because you can rip off the threads going in the oil pan, and after that you will need a new oil pan. Now we're gonna remove the filter. Like I explained you guys in a video before, this is the tool that I like to use. You can get something similar like this in any hardware store for mechanic or auto shops. What I like to use a little rack in the bottom of the filter. That will help not to make a mess. And make sure always when you remove the filter that the seal is not there, the oil seal. This seal, always have to make sure that it's not there attached to the oil filter housing. Always make sure this out. If you put the filter like that, with the oil seal back, you're gonna have a big leak of oil. Okay, now we're gonna put the new filter. We're gonna be using 4612 for this car, pure later number. Now, first thing that you're gonna do, you wanna loop this seal or make a better seal inside. How you loop it? You take a little bit oil of the oil filter and you just go around the seal to make a better seal. When you put the new filter, you have to make sure it's soft like this. It can go like that. And when it's moment to tight, the filter, you're gonna go hand tight. Never buy tools, never buy nothing, only hand. Make sure you have a good timing on like that, and that should be fine. Now we're gonna show you guys how to put the oil back in the car. Alright, now we're gonna show you guys how to put the oil. You release the oil cap, it's gonna be right in the center there. And we're gonna show you how to pour the oil inside. First one, you're gonna get a funnel. In this car, we're gonna use 5W20 synthetic oil. When you have a good funnel, you don't have to worry that much. Just go and keep putting. Now this is the number 4. This car we're gonna be using 4 quarts of oil only. Now we're gonna remove the funnel. Make sure that you put your oil cap back. And that's it, bada bing bada boom, how you do a 2016 Nissan Sentra oil change. Alright guys, welcome to another episode of Mechanics on Duty. Today we want to show you guys how to reset the maintenance light in a 2016 Nissan Sentra. First thing that you're gonna go to the square button, this right here in the steering wheel. You're gonna be going through the options. You're gonna be in settings there. You're gonna press down here. You're gonna be going with this button down. When you go to maintenance, you're gonna press enter right in the middle, the same button that we do use to scroll. And we're gonna go to oil and filter, and we're gonna go press reset. And that's it. And here you can set it up for how many miles you want. In this case, we're gonna use 4,000 miles. The customer requires synthetic oil change. And when he go to 4,000 miles, it's gonna show him again. Now for go back, when you press finish the setting, you press the button they say here with the little turn. You're gonna go back, and that's it. You back to the beginning of the settings.
So you use which buttons?
I use this one to scroll up and down, and this one to go through the option, the one with the square. You go through the settings. And you use this one, this right here, to go up and down to scroll in the options. And you go maintenance, oil filter, reset, and that's it. Bada bing bada boom. That's how you do. That's how you reset the oil light in a 2016 Nissan Sentra.